Welcome to Kesu Group, where precision meets performance in the world of CNC machining. Today we are diving into the cutting-edge work we do with one of the most essential materials in aerospace engineering, titanium.
In aerospace engineering, titanium is a game changer. Its remarkable strength-to-weight ratio, resistance to corrosion, and ability to withstand extreme temperatures make it the material of choice for critical components in aircraft and spacecraft. Compared to aluminum and steel, titanium offers unparalleled durability and efficiency, reducing the overall weight of aircraft while maintaining structural integrity. At Kesu Group, we specialize in machining titanium, a material that demands expertise and precision. Titanium's toughness is its both great asset and speaks the challenge. It requires advanced techniques and state-of-the-art machinery to machine it accurately. Our team of skilled machinists and engineers utilize the latest CNC technology, ensuring that every titanium part we produce meets the strictest aerospace standards. From critical engine components to structural parts, we have successfully machined a wide variety of titanium parts for the aerospace industry. Our portfolio includes intricate components that require micron-level precision and surface finishes that ensures optimal performance in the harshest environments. Each part is a testament to our commitment to quality and our ability to push the boundaries of what is possible in titanium machining. At Kesu Group, we are not just machining parts, we are building the future of aerospace. If you need titanium components that meet the highest standards of precision and durability, contact us today. Let's discuss how we can bring your project to life.